Good morning and afternoon, everybody. Hi, welcome back to Story Club. Today we're going to be reading a very special voted for story. We voted on our Story Club group for either The Tiger Who Came to Tea or a special story that I don't think anybody's ever really read before, Stephen Seagull, Action Hero, which is one of my personal favourite stories, and I've read it quite a few times. So we had our nice vote, and all the mummies and daddies and the boys and girls voted, and with 7 votes to 2, you guys chose dun, 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 Stephen Seagull, Action Hero. Wow, we're going to get right into that story, but first we're going to sing a new song this morning. We're going to say hello to everybody, so I need those singing voices on. La 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 la. I need those hello hands ready. Well done. Okay, we ready? Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you today? How are you feeling today, everybody? Fantastic. Now, before we start our book, we need to do good sitting. Well done. Good sitting. And to hear our story, we need to do good listening. Well done. Good listening. And now, to see our story, to see all of our pretty pictures, we need to do good looking. So can you show me your looking eyes? Looking eyes on, listening ears on your bottoms with your hands on your laps or sitting somewhere comfortable, and we'll get right into our story. So today's story follows a seagull called Stephen, and let's see what adventures he gets up to today. Today, Stephen is retired. But he used to be a cop. Wow, look at that police boat. Now Stephen's ex-partner, Mac, needs him back on the force. There's Mac, and Mac's a goldfish. I can't come back, said Stephen. Sergeant Starfish fired me for being too much of a renegade. But we need you, said Mac. Someone's been stealing Beach City sand and leaving massive holes everywhere. Look, we're in one now. Oh dear. No cop has been able to find the sand thief. Will you help us save the beach? A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, said Stephen. And with that, Stephen and Mac set off to look for the suspects. There they are. Could Harry be a suspect? Harry, have you been digging these holes? Asked Stephen. No, I wasn't me, Gov, said Harry. I've been too busy serving quality ice cream. Look at his ice cream van. Wow. Yuck, this is definitely Harry's ice cream, said Mac. Harry is innocent this time. Could Lola be a suspect? She's a lifeguard. Lola, have you been stealing sand? Asked Stephen. How dare you, said Lola. I've been too busy saving people. Just ask Mr. Davidson over there. She rescued me, said Mr. Davidson. I'll never be the same. Look, she jumped right on him. Uh-oh. Lola is innocent this time. Could Rick be a suspect? Rick, have you been digging massive holes? Asked Stephen. I don't do that stuff anymore, said Rick. Anyways, these holes have ruined our game. Oh, look, they're playing volleyball. Shark volleyball. Yep, Rick's game is in a whole lot of trouble, said Mac. Rick is reformed. For now. Poor Rick. Rick the ref. Stephen was stumped. Look at that. Who on earth would need so much sand? Who would need so much sand? I wonder what they're building. Stephen, said Mac. Dun dun dun. It's Claude Von Crab. Ahoy, Stephen, said Claude. Finally, I have every criminal mastermind needs. A base made entirely out of sand. Ha ha ha. Claude, I should have known that you were behind this, said Stephen. Come down with your claws up. I will fly up there and arrest you. Oh no, Claude is an evil crab. I'd like to see you try, said Claude. We have beach balls and we're not afraid to use them. Show 'em, Big Tony. I bet they don't even have planning permission for that, said Mac. Oh dear, they're in a bit of a pickle. Wham! Oh, Mac! Oh no! Mac! No! cried Stephen. With Mac floundering, Stephen knew he had to act quickly. Oh dear. Help! Help! My friend is drowning, cried Stephen. Really, it's fine, said Mac. I'm a fish. Shh, said Stephen. It's all part of my plan. But Stephen didn't seem to have much of a plan until... Thump, thump. I'll save you, cried Lola. I don't like this plan, said Mac. Splash! Everywhere. Thanks to some quick thinking, Stephen had conquered the castle and Beach City was saved. So much damage. There's going to be a lot of forms to fill out. Stop! I don't need saving, Lola, said Mac. Claude Von Crab, said Stephen. You are under arrest for sand theft and unauthorised use of a bucket and spade and for assaulting an officer with a beach ball. Uh-oh. Drat. Foiled again, said Claude. Watch out, bad guys of Beach City. Stephen is back. Come on, these holes aren't going to fill themselves. Stephen, you're officially back on the force. Welcome back, Stephen. The end, and there's Stephen, all cool. And there he is, riding his police boat. Well done, boys and girls. Good listening to my story and good looking at all of the pictures. Now, I wonder, can we draw a big sandcastle? Maybe we can put on it pretty seashells. Maybe it can have a big door. Maybe it can be small or really big. And maybe it can be different colours. I'd love to see some of your pictures down in the comments. Thank you very much for doing good listening, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye.